Lisa Renee, Dissolving the 3D Personality, www.energeticsynthesis.com. Multidimensional people or starseeds will often use terms to help to describe the kind of people that identify only with their 5 physical senses, which form into an outward perception of material reality. 3D, 3 or third dimensional, consciousness is used in describing the limited perception of the world as being only that which is perceived in the physical. A person who limits their perceptions to the basic 5 senses would be considered a 3D person. Such a person would not have had an awakening experience and therefore not have fully developed higher sensory perception or an ability to sense energy fields and their quality. A 3D person is usually much more developed mentally than emotionally, leading them to perceive everything through their intellect. This results in dismissing higher sensory perception experiences in others as well as in themselves. Thus, to help build a language to better define the qualities that govern a person who cannot sense beyond what they see with their physical eyes in the material world, we refer to that kind of person as a 3D person. A 3D person is usually unable to tell the energetic difference that exists between deceptions, STS, and truths, STO, when they are spoken. A 3D person generally has not awakened to embody their higher soul or spirit, but has embodied a 3D ego personality, which is referred to as a 3D consciousness. A 3D person is limited to the perceptions and associations that are created from their 3 layers of ego mind. This is useful to perceive the collective consciousness consensus of beliefs that form into a certain framework of thoughts on the earth plane. However, most of those current belief systems are built upon a framework that has been constructed through many false narratives told to the people, and are deceptions layered throughout the many 3D structures. The 3D structures are used to filter narratives that continually repeat and reinforce the same half-truths or deceptions that are productive in keeping people in the same general consensus of enforcing the 3D mind control programming. 3D mind control programming is a mass mind control used by the controller groups to oppress the minds of the people they believe are inferior to themselves. This keeps the mass consciousness thoughts and belief systems focused on very primitive, aggressive, warring and barbaric sets of belief systems for feeding the consumerist society. And that level of the 3D mind control influences the ego personalities, which further produce the 3D collective consciousness of the masses. This further shapes the 3D structures that act as the governance pillars of world society. So in this context, multidimensional people will define material structures that are built by 3D people, as 3D constructs. These 3D structures are controlled and governed by the people that have not perceived anything beyond the wants and needs of their own ego mind in the material world. So to further define the 3D person who is only concerned with their own personal needs and desires, generally with little to no concern for others, this group is called the service to self people. Service to self people tend to be totally run by their 3D ego personality, thus they tend to be fractured, and are not solid, trustworthy, ethical or of moral character, because they always have a price to be bought and bargain their soul. Many are disconnected from their heart, and will always seek to serve their own interests first, over the needs of the greater whole. They tend to be more narcissistic, aggressive, hostile and combative when they do not get their personal needs met or when their belief systems are threatened. When a 3D person's thinking is disconnected from their heart, they are also disconnected from their soul spirit, and generally have trouble genuinely expressing higher emotional qualities like loving kindness, compassion and empathy. Thus, for multidimensional people, it is important we learn to discern the differences that exist within the people we interact with on the earth. We need not judge any person, But it is critical we discern the energetic differences and are well informed to make accurate assessments about who and what we are dealing with. As an example, a 3D person may be very upset and angry if a multidimensional person tells them about their personal spiritual awakening experiences. Many times when this anger and criticism is directed towards a vulnerable person sharing an intimate awakening experience, it results in such hostility directed towards them. It will traumatize and isolate the awakening person. Now that awakening person has been controlled to be quiet, that person is afraid to tell anyone about what they are actually experiencing during their spiritual awakening, and they may believe something is seriously wrong with them. Most multidimensional awakening people have had a seriously painful event with telling people they believed they could trust. Instead, they were met with fear-based reactions of hostility, criticism and persecution. 3D people can act like the enforcers of the Earth consciousness bend for forces they do not comprehend. For that reason, it is important to recognize that is the purpose of their hostile reaction to spiritual experiencers. They may try to scare the daylights out of you, sometimes discredit you, deny what happened to you as real, when sharing any truthful spiritual experiences with them. A large majority of the people on the Earth are still limited in perceiving only 3D consciousness and are run by 3D belief systems. This is the result of global mind control and their inability to feel or think beyond their physical senses. This means that they are not perceiving the quality of energy that exists behind the facade of structures. They are not perceiving multidimensionally and thus, they rely only on the ego personality to assign meanings that influence their outer perception of the material world. Many of these people are entering a stage of psycho-spiritual crisis without comprehending what is really happening to them. This is because there is little to no information being given to the public about what is occurring on the Earth at this time. A multidimensional person realizes that if we give over our authority and consent to the 3D ego personality, and we feed into the service to self structures, this is extremely faulty thinking, that eventually will lead only to pain and destructive outcomes. Most 3D humans only see 1% of the visible light spectrum with their physical eyes of the entire known frequencies in the electromagnetic spectrum. That gives us a common sense fact to consider. That there is an incredible amount of electromagnetic activity that most humans cannot see with their visible eyes. It is naive to think that within that 1% of what is visible, we are seeing the entire nature of our existence. Therefore, it is important we learn to perceive beyond the visible light spectrum of our physical eyes. When we open our heart, connect with our soul self, open our mind, we can activate our higher sensory perception. We can learn to feel and sense so much more. When we connect with our soul and spirit, we are able to learn how to become intuitive and empathic to people and things. However, this requires we drop the 3D ways of thinking that we inherited from the reptilians and dismantle the 3D personality from taking control over our lives. Criticism is controlling behavior. 3D people tend to criticize awakened people mainly because of lack of understanding or lack of personal experience. Lack of understanding many times results in fearful reactions leading to ridicule and aggressive attacks against multidimensional or awakening people. It is important to recognize that criticism and intimidation tactics are forms of bullying used by 3D people running controller archetypes. However, in most cases this is due to manipulation, gaslighting and/or mind control used by dark forces that capitalize on the person's inability to sense any energies at work manipulating them. As the chaos generated from the planetary ascension accelerates, many people are being influenced by negative forces that they do not comprehend. Some of these negative forces are sourcing from people's own 3D layers of the unconscious mind and negative ego, which has been reinforced in a lifetime of negative habits and behaviors. When people feel unsafe and insecure in themselves, they will easily resort to criticizing, controlling and manipulating behaviors. It is helpful to educate oneself about this behavior in order to protect oneself and create the necessary healthy boundaries. 3D-based people will tend toward service to self behavior that manifest into controller archetypes. Thus, controlling people will always assume that their needs, desires, wants and purposes are always more important than whatever yours may be. Many times they will manipulate scenarios to deny your experience or perception of reality, in favor of supporting their agenda to get whatever they want. Whatever you may be doing or responsibilities you may have, they assert that you need to focus on them and their issues, regardless of the cost it may incur to you. One important point to understand about controlling behavior is that it will always lead to some form of psychological or emotional manipulation which promotes deception and lying. The need to assert control over others leads to levels of perpetuating forms of manipulation. The manipulation of others leads to varying degrees of deception and lying. These are negative traits used commonly by 3D people that are unaware they are manipulating something or someone to get their personal needs met, most of the time. 3D people say one thing and do another, and do not realize they are split in their behaviors because they have been subjected to a lifetime of doublethink and doublespeak. Have compassion for 3D people suffering in these negative behaviors, but do not allow yourself to be controlled by them. Control plus manipulation equals deception, lying. There is no part of this equation that can be in consent with Christic forces or God's Spirit, so this is an imperative piece for the starseed and multidimensional person to master within the self, dissolving the 3D personality. The incarnated station of our identity that was our personality matrix in the 3D earth, the aspect that was enmeshed with the lower three-dimensional frequencies, is gradually dissolving for some people during this time. What this equates to is the dissolution of our personality matrix or station of identity that was located in the lower three dimensions, and moving that aspect of our identity into the higher frequency bands of our soul matrix or higher station of identity. What happens to the people on the earth who believe that they are only their 3D personality identity, when it begins to dissolve? We can see some of the effects of that dismantling of the 3D personality and the resulting consciousness shift now in the global scape. The range of experience for some people is from sensations of great anxiety, stress, and mental confusion, all the way to the descent into madness and insane behaviors. Most 3D people are not aware they are losing coherence in the way they think and process reality, as their thinking gets more fragmented through the belief systems that are based on doublethink and doublespeak. Doublethink is the act of simultaneously accepting two mutually contradictory beliefs as correct, often in distinct social contexts. Doublethink is due to a lack of awareness of split thinking or cognitive dissonance, thus the person is completely unaware of any conflict or contradiction in their thoughts or actions, when they contradict each other. Doublethink and gaslighting manipulation techniques are a way of life in the current 3D consciousness. The negative accumulative effects of existing in continual states of denial of the truth and denial of the real self, has manifested mental and emotional trauma for all people on the earth. The lower dimensional contents that exist in the planetary collective consciousness fields are undergoing massive reconfiguration, and this energetic change in the 3D reality has reached critical mass, which means it is greatly impacting all people of the earth. Whether a 3D person or awakened multidimensional person, The self-mastery that has been either lost or gained is measured in how you personally deal with the stress and chaos that is on the earth. No person on this earth is exempt from the exposure to the massive fields of chaos, confusion and darkness that exist in the collective unconsciousness of humanity. During this time, our inner energetic integrity is tested in order to hold neutrality, while facing the great forces of chaos. This is being tested in every person, just from the mere fact of being on the earth at this time. How well are we able to adapt to change and hold neutrality in every kind of stressful situation? We have to measure our competency level now. If we are not doing well with adaptability, flexibility and neutrality in our life situation, we must make adjustments to gain strength with this skill set. This is the time to take stock of how well we are coping with the madness of the earth, as the collective mind of humanity travels the dark night of the soul. What does this take and what is being asked of us? All people must take responsibility for the quality of their thoughts, behaviors, actions, as all consciousness that is created has a direct cause and effect. Since 2009, we have consistently emphasized the necessity of moving out of the 3D consciousness fields, and from feeding those 3D energies, by identifying and clearing the 3 layers of the negative ego that are run in the lower dimensional fields. The clearing of negative ego is mandatory in order to adapt to the shifting timelines, and to help maintain coherence and sanity. It is imperative to address unresolved conflicts that create anxiety in our mind, emotions and body, and apply clearing and healing tools that replace our previous ways of thinking with neutrality, love and peace. Spiritual emergency. The symptoms of psycho-spiritual crisis during the ascension cycle represent a manifestation and exteriorization of the deep dynamics within the human psyche and the multidimensional anatomy of human consciousness. Although we have a high population of 3D thinkers and 3D consciousness on this planet still operating as a result of 3D mind control, this may or may not suppress the forward momentum of the awakening phenomena that is happening now during the planetary ascension cycle. Many 3D people will have experiences in the future that they cannot label or will not be open to recontextualize, as this event is a catalytic experience which forces them to give up their current belief systems. Therefore, during this transition phase, we will have a planet comprised of 3D mind non-experiencers and multidimensional experiencers that will be in conflict with each other over the control of the belief systems. The individual human psyche is a multidimensional consciousness and multi-level system with no internal divisions and with no boundaries on what potential realities can be directly experienced by multidimensional consciousness. Therefore, we cannot expect to find a one-size-fits-all approach and have exacting definitions for every type of spiritual emergency that can arise in the human population. And yet, our ascension work and research with individuals in psycho-spiritual crisis, and the shared experiences of the starseed and spiritual communities that are doing similar work, reveal that it may be helpful to outline certain major forms of spiritual emergency. They each have characteristic features that can be differentiated from others. Whether a 3D person, or an inherently multidimensional and empathic person, we all undergo the dark night of the soul process during spiritual awakening. The process will plunge us into stages of psycho-spiritual crisis of 3D ego death. What is happening on the earth is a game changer, in that the 3D ego is in death throes. People will be forced to accept some version of a new reality, whether they want to or not. We have the choice in how we want to interpret the information we perceive and how we will undergo this consciousness shift. We can adapt and change to go with the new energy flow in service to others, to help heal and unify our species. or we can fight against it to preserve the fear-based belief system of divide and conquer and war that was made to feed into the 3D constructs. As more people will undergo the dark of the soul process while on this earth, we share the following most common spiritual catalysts for people undergoing different stages of spiritual emergency: contact with deceased relatives or other deceased people, shamanic-related crisis, awakening of Kundalini, episodes of experiencing unity or oneness with all things, psychological renewal through return to the center, crisis of psychic opening, multidimensional experiences, seeing creatures in other realms, signs, symbols, images and triple numbers communicating information, past life or simultaneous lifetime experiences, retrieving memories, communication with spirit guides, extradimensionals and channeling, near-death experiences, NDEs, out-of-body, OBs, or astral projection, remote viewing, close encounters with UFOs and alien abduction experiences, possession states, alcoholism and drug addiction, intense physical injury, accident or severe medical-related event. Babies or crystal children bring on paranormal events in the larger family. May peace and love be in your heart and guide you gracefully through these intense times of spiritual awakening and spiritual emergency. With love, Lisa.